Hi, welcome to the parallel universe. In this video we will learn about conservation of mechanical energy for a simple pendulum. When the position of the bob is at extreme left or extreme right position, its velocity is zero. Hence kinetic energy is zero. But potential energy will be maximum, that is mgh. Therefore, total energy is mgh. When the bob is at exactly middle position, its potential energy is zero. But kinetic energy is maximum. With the help of equation of motion we can show that the kinetic energy at the middle point is equal to mgh. Thus the total energy is mgh. This shows that the total mechanical energy for a simple pendulum remains conserved. Hope you find this video helpful. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such contents.